Hello, today we actually prepared this for lunch from Zen Elixir. It's spare ribs. It's not only bone, it has meat inside as well. Alright. Okay, so the soup wise of the bak kut teh is actually very flavorful that you wouldn't even know it's actually ready packed. It also has slight pepper taste to it. If you're afraid of spiciness or like younger kids, you can actually add a little bit more water, but it will actually reduce the savory taste. It has this garlics inside. You can even still see the garlic bits. Let me try to scoop them. Yeah, it has garlic bits here. Okay, as well as the pork ribs. Next is this salt baked chicken. Good 1 to 2 packs. Okay. So here it is. It has very big portion of the drumlet. So this one actually it's enough for I think 3 kids. It'll be good. So all we did for the salt baked chicken, actually I just put